Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha and I'll be sharing some art tutorials with you, and I hope after doing these tutorials you'll definitely understand and get the expertise of how to run various functions in R. So let us start with the very basic R installation. So guys, welcome to a small world of R programming, and now we'll learn how to install R on Mac, Linux and Windows platform, and a very basic introduction to R Studio. So guys, R CRAN is nothing but the comprehensive R archive network. It is the network of global web servers storing identical up-to-date versions of code documentations for R. It basically processes or features 9,763 available packages. Now these are some steps to download and install R on your Windows platform. You can go to the website, click download from for videos for Windows, sorry, and from there you can choose base from the list of subdirectories. Over there you have to click to download the latest version of R. Once you have downloaded the file, you have to click run, and then once the installer starts, a pop-up window will be there on your screen which show that welcome to the R for Windows 3.3.2 setup wizard. You have to click next, then again next. As you can see, you have to click next. You can see the files are extracting, and then finally the installation is complete. Then you have to click the finish. After the installation, you can see the R menu choice, and you have to start the program by clicking R i386 3.3.2, and then it is the R user interface. As you can see, this is our console. And you can type the command, type enter, and see the output over there. Now to download the R on Mac or Linux, you have to follow the same instruction as you followed on the Windows. Now R Studio is nothing but the free and open source integrated development environment. It is more organized and user friendly, and you can say it has 4 windows. On the next page we'll see that. And to download R Studio, you have to go to www.rstudio.com and follow the steps. Now first window, as you can see, it is our script where you can write a bunch of programs, execute them and save for later use. This is basically the file tab. Second, you can see this is a file tab which has plot and packages. The plot will show you all the graphs, and the packages are all the packages or add-ons which you can use when you are running the programs. This is the workspace which will show all the objects. The history tab shows a list of commands, and this is show the objects. As you can see, these 1 to 12 observations of 6 variables objects can be seen here, and this is the console where you can type commands and see the output. Thank you guys.